So in this video we will learn about use logical flow. So whenever you are asking ChatGPT or any other artificial tool, AI tool, you are asking something, so you need to use your logical flow. So if this, then what, like that kind of logic you need to use. Suppose you want to ask ChatGPT, you are asking ChatGPT that write about blockchain. So it's a very straightforward question you are asking to ChatGPT. It is very broad, so you can expect that the broad answer you will get. But if you ask, if you write like this, outline the key components and functionality of blockchain technology, including how it ensures security and transparency. So you are asking ChatGPT that outline the key components. This is very a strong keyword, outline. Before creating some big things, now you need to chalk out, you need to draw the outline, this like that way you need to outline the thing. Suppose you are going to write a ebook, so in that case also you need to outline first, because you cannot create in a single day, you cannot create a entire 500 pages or 200 pages ebook, or you can't create. So you need to outline the ebook, and then gradually you can create it. Even if you want to ask ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, create a ebook for me, 500 pages or 200 pages, it will not create, because first thing you need to do is, actually the thing is, you need to break down the complex task into simple task. Okay, so first you need to outline outline the structure of the ebook. Okay, so please provide me the outline of this ebook. My subject is this, my topic is this, so it will provide the outline. Then you can do the rest of the things, and you can spread it into 200 pages, 400 pages, 500 pages, as you like. Okay, but in that time you need to use some logical flow. So outline is a very important, very powerful keyword. So outline the key components and functionality of a blockchain technology. So my subject is blockchain technology. So first you outline this. What you will outline? The components and the functionality. Okay, now I am giving the additional input that include how it ensures security and transparency. So this is the additional thing I am providing. Okay, so the next example is describe discuss project management. So suppose you don't know anything about project management, I don't know anything about project management. So for experience purpose, for idea purpose, what I can write discuss the project management. So it will provide a broad answer about project management, how it works, how to create, and all those things, the broad answer. But if you want to get the specified answer, some modified professional answer, I need to write describe the phases. So it will describe, again it's a very powerful keyword, describe the phases of project management. Okay, so my subject is project management, from initiation and planning to execution and closure. So first initiate, then plan, then execute, and then closure. So I am providing actually a step-by-step guide that you need to cover. My subject is project management, but these 3, 4, 5 points I want to be covered. Okay, so first initiate, then planning, then execution, then closure. So these 4 steps are there, so you need to explain this 4 point. Okay, so you are writing describe the phases of project management, from initiation and planning to execution and closure. Okay, again the example number 3 is explain renewable energy. You are asking ChatGPT a broad question, explain renewable energy. Okay, now instead of that you can ask discuss the different types of renewable energy sources, including how they work and their environmental benefits. So you are forcing ChatGPT, you are including some additional steps, that how they work and their environmental benefits also you need to mention. Whenever you are writing anything, or any content you are writing about renewable energy sources, you need to include these topics. Okay, so now I think you have got the idea. Let's go to the practical session. Write about blockchain. So you can expect broad answer. it will provide all detailed information about blockchain. So what is blockchain, how does blockchain work? Again, it's for detailed information, benefits of blockchain, challenges and limitations. Then again it's coming future discretion or destruction. What I did not see, let me see. Future directions. Okay, so all the details for our informative details. See, here it is. Blockchain technology is a decentralized distributed ledger system that underpins digital currencies like Bitcoin and okay. So this is all about it. So detailed information you will get about blockchain, because you have written ordinary question, you have written a broad question, what is blockchain. Okay, so now you want to modify something, outline the key components and functionality of blockchain technology, and here you have additionally input ensure security and transparency also. So now let's check. You have provided the additional information and you want to outline it. First it will outline, then it will explain. Let's see what it is saying. Blockchain technology is built on several key components and functionalities. See, the component I wanted to know, the functionality I wanted to know, so it has mentioned that ensure its security, transparency and overall effectiveness. Here is an outline of these components and how they work together to maintain the integrity of the blockchain. So see the key components of blockchain technology, because I wanted to know the components, key components of blockchain technology. So it is providing a lots of details information, blocks, chain, nodes, distributed ledger, consensus mechanism. Okay, so okay, cryptographic hash functions. Okay, public and private keys. Okay, so all the detailed information. Then the functionality, I wanted to know the functionality about blockchain technology, so it's provide me a second format also, functionality and blockchain functionality of blockchain technology. Okay, so it has explained everything, transparency, all those things it has explained. Then again I have I requested ensuring security and transparency. That was my third element I entered, additionally I entered. So it has given me the details, ensuring security and transparency. So all the details it has given. Okay, so I think you have got the idea. So again I will write any other, let me take example number 2, discuss project management. So it will provide a generic answer, it will provide a broad answer. Let's see what is project management, how it works and all those things it will project. See, key concepts in project management process, how it works it has given. Then again project management methodologies. Okay, then again key skills and competencies for project management, leadership, communication, problem solving, time management, risk management, negotiation and all these things are there. So it has given me a pretty good detailed idea, so that I can be aware about the what is project management. I don't know anything about project management, so for idea purpose, for information purpose, I can write what is project management. So it will provide a detailed information about project management, any subject in your case. So now I want to get it more specific. Describe the phases of project management from initiation and planning to execution and closure. So all the steps I have mentioned, these 4 steps you need to cover. Okay, so now see how it responds. Describe the phases of project management. See, the first thing I requested for initiation, right? So it has given initiation. Okay, for initiation, under initiation what we can expect, purpose, the key activities, deliverables, then planning I requested. So play again, it's explaining the planning, purpose, key activities, then deliverables, then execution I requested for. So execution, it also explained everything: purpose, key activities, what I need to do, deliverables, what I need to do, monitoring and control, what the purpose, key activities, all the details are given. Then closure also I requested, the four I requested. So closure, purpose, key activities, how you can deliver it. Okay, so now I think you got a pretty clear idea how to write an effective prompt, because the more details you will provide, the more accurate response you can expect from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. So just copy and paste the template and provide your content, write your content, mention your industry, your subject, your topic, and you will get the more information you can provide. But use this format and practice it, create your own content, and see, I think you will able to get your best prompt. Okay, so the main thing is you need to practice. Without practice you can't do this. So use this template, create your own content and practice. You will get it the best version of your prompt engineering, and in like that way you can become master only. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.